After doing a lot of research, I chose Yumbox snack and lunch boxes for my children, and they have served us so well. I will be doing a video soon on the lunch size ones, as my kids have those at school, but this is a snack Yumbox, and it has this easy snap for any child to pop open. It will not fall apart, and it holds up so well. My kids will drop these, toss them. They're just a solid piece. Now when you open it up, it has this silicone seal up top, and that allows you to add liquids to these containers, and they will not leak out into the other containers. It really gives you an opportunity to add a variety of things into your Yumbox. This one is small. It has these cute little compartments, maybe a dip, maybe some veggies or some crackers. You could put a little treat, or you could put the dip in there and do different things in these. When you are ready to clean it, it's very easy to clean. This whole piece just pops right out. Stick it in the dishwasher. Just make sure you always put it in the top shelf. And then this does need to be hand washed, but it's a quick scrub because most of the debris is on this. Now my one complaint with it is that when you wash it upside down, dirt can collect inside this little clear catch here. And as long as you do a quick rinse and dump it out, it comes out easily. But that is the main piece. And it just pops right in like that. And there you go. A great little snack box, ready to go. Pop it into your bag or into a tiny cooler, and you have snacks wherever you are. Yumbox.